this video, we will demonstrate how to format the SD card. You will need a Windows 7 computer or later. In this example, we are using Windows 10. You will also need an SD card reader. After you've physically installed your SD card into the card reader, you will need to open File Explorer. There's a few ways to open File Explorer. Go to the Start menu and type in File Explorer. You can also open File Explorer by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar. Another quick way to open File Explorer is to hold Windows key while pressing E on your keyboard. After File Explorer has been opened, locate the SD card in the left-hand navigation pane. In my example, it's named Iris and drive letter E. Yours may say removable disk or SD card. Right-click on the Iris SD card. Choose Format. After this window opens, you'll then go through it just as the steps that I have. Your capacity may vary depending on the size of the card that you have. In my example, this is a 64 gigabyte card, which shows a usable space of 59.4 gigabytes. The file system that you'll choose is exFAT. Allocation unit size, you can leave this alone, but usually I select default allocation size. The last but most important step is to make sure that you have the volume label as Iris. This is the name of the SD card. If you do not have this name correctly, the Iris Uploader utility will not work correctly. Make sure Quick Format is selected, then click Start. Just like this dialog box shows, all data will be erased on the SD card. Make sure that you have nothing on here that you want before you proceed with this step. If you're ready to format, click OK. Very quickly, you'll get a completed dialog box. Click OK. Now you'll just close this box. The next step and final step is to eject the SD card safely. You could do this by opening File Explorer, which in my case is already open. Locate the SD card, right-click, and choose Eject. You can now physically remove the SD card from the computer and reinstall it into the Iris dialer.